Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Respectable ladies and gentlemen, today I am presenting you a column about journalists, the life of journalists. Just like in the movies of the 20th century Fox films, the cowboys used revolver, which was his special weapon when there were a quarrel between two men's decisions would be made through so journalist weapon in his pen. His parents are trained by their faith, their bravery, their honesty and spying technique. When weapon of war come out, the big people are discharged. Clearly, this color, race, language, religions in from the region. But the goal is same. It is corrupt, exposing the people when the most honest, capable police officers, detectives, inspectors find no trace. A report based on truth of the journalist is given a job and the slaves are taken away and the corrupt is caught. If you look, the journalists are the hands of the police. Many journalists, including men, women, boys, girls, children, have sacrificed their lives with all the people. These people are the pride of country and the nation are capitalist. Greetings to them and to the greatness of their parents. The brave sons and daughters gave the country, nation have a performed effect on their parents. Journalists are also blackmailed in various ways. They are given lot of money. They are given terrible threats. They are give glitter. It is respected, but the journalists, men, women, and girls, boys, children, who do not bow down to anyone other than Allah and do not sell us, yes, they like halal bread. Only Allah can give its reward. People associated with journalists have day and nights on the duty. Journalists' pay are very poor in terms of service, interviews and questions. These corrupt people, how can honest journalists control their emotions? How can they tolerate things that fool people? Many journalists, including men, women, boys, girls, children, are right and there for the country and nation. They have sacrificed their lives for the sake of their greatness. Greetings to the greatness of their parents, other spheres of life, social, political, culture, religions, and other fields. They have sacrificed sacrificed their lives for the greatness of of them. They belong to the race, color, language, religions, and nations. After that, and most of the officials bring the crimes to justice by risking their lives, but often these are corrupt people discharged. They they released based on money and relationship. Honest journal, honest judge never do anything to them. Great people say in a society where justice is lost, the country and society are destroyed. Military officers and personals should sacrifice their lives to serve the country and nations. These are belongs to every country, religions, language, color, nations. In the end, all the faithful men, women, boys, girls, children salute the journalist, salute the greatness of their parents. Respectable ladies and gentlemen, now allow me Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.